Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohanur Rahman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make emergency stop flash using emergency alarm wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Terminal block, single pole MCB circuit breaker, alarm siren, power supply driver, emergency stop button, phase connection input to MCB circuit breaker, neutral connection input to terminal block, neutral connection from terminal block to connect power supply driver, phase connection from MCB to connect emergency stop button, phase connection from emergency button to connect power supply driver, phase connection output from power supply driver to connect alarm siren, neutral connection from power supply driver to siren. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.